Hello and welcome to the Photo Backup Stick video tutorial series. Today we're going to be talking about backing up from Mac computers. So if you have a Photo Backup Stick Universal or a Photo Backup Stick for computers, this is how you back up photos from your Mac computer. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to plug our Photo Backup Stick into a USB port on our computer. And the drive letter is going to show up in the corner of your desktop here. So go ahead and double click that to open it. And that drive is going to open and you're going to see that we have some quick start guides, one for Windows and one for Mac. That's a great guide in PDF format for you to reference. And then we have the app here. So go ahead and launch the app by double clicking on it. And you can see the interface pops up, the main screen pops up. And to do a default backup is very simple. Click on the Start Backup, and you're going to see the next screen here. Now, by default, it's going to back up from your Pictures folder. So if your photos are all stored in the Pictures folder, it will back up all of your photos. You can also check here if you want to back up videos. Now, if your photos are in different locations, we have videos for those, how to add the different locations and to scan and find photos in these different locations. So please check on our website for those videos. We'll show you how to back up from other locations and other drives on your computer, as well as any phone or tablet that you might have connected to your computer. Those are two separate videos. But for this video, it's the very simple basic backup for pictures that are in your Pictures folder. So at this point, we just click on Start Backup, and that's it. It will scan your Pictures folder and back up all your photos to the stick itself. So that concludes today's video on backing up from Mac computers. As I mentioned, we have other videos showing you how to do other tasks with the Photo Backup Stick for your Mac. Thanks for joining me today.